Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I want it to be very monochromatic, and I think I want to do like a spotlight eye. I have this picture in my mind, and I'm kind of hoping that it translates in real life. So let's just get started. So I'm going to go ahead and conceal my eyes with my Colourpop concealer. This one is in the shade Deep Golden. And just take my damp beauty blender and blend it out. Okay, so once the eyes are concealed, I'm going to go ahead and take my Morphe E53 palette for the remainder of this look. I'm going to go ahead and take this color right here, mixed with a little bit of the color beside it, just to set my lids. This is going to help any eyeshadows blend out, as well as help keep that concealer set and in place. Taking a nice fluffy brush, I'm going to go into this shade right here. It's like a nice brown with a red undertone. I'm going to take that pretty high in the crease and just begin to blend it out. And I'm just going to build it up till I get the most amount of pigment I can from this color. Once I have that laid down, I'm going to go into the color on top of it on the same brush. I'm going to take that just a little bit lower. Again, I want this to be just as pigmented on the inner corner as it is on the outer corner. Now on a more tapered brush, I'm going to go into this dark color here. It's very chocolatey, but it still has a little bit of warmth in it. And I'm going to really focus this on the inner and outer corners. So I'm just going to stamp it in place first, just because I want the majority of the product to be on my lid before I start to blend that out a bit. And when I blend it out, I'll just do it in little tiny zigzag motions, because I'm not really trying to get this all over the place. I just really want to focus it in those two areas. Now we're going to create that spotlight center. I'm going to take this almost like bronzy golden shade here on a flat synthetic brush, and where we have that free space between the dark outer and inner corner, we're going to lay this down. You basically want to just place that down right over where your pupil is. Once I have it laid down dry, I'm going to take the same exact eyeshadow, wet my brush, and go over it. Once we have that laid down, I'm just going to go back in with that taper brush we were using for the darker inner and outer corners, just to touch them up and to blend out just the edges so everything looks really well and meshed together. Then I'm going to take the Colourpop single in 20 something, and I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger and just tap over the center. That particular gold shade doesn't have a lot of base color. It's more like a glitter or sparkle, so if you have any glitters or sparkles, you can achieve the same effect using those. I'm going to go ahead and just clean up under the eye, especially darker colors and glitter shadows have a lot of fallout. That's why we did our eyes first. I'm going to prime with my Hard Candy Coconut Stick. For foundation, I'm going to take the Born This Way foundation in the shade Spiced Rum. I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer and just target the highlighting parts of my face, and then blend it all out with a damp beauty sponge. Any excess that I have, I will tap on my chin, and I will set with my Maybelline Fit Me Powder. I will then do my brows with my NYX Micro Brow Pencil and my Femme Couture Brow Gel. Before we continue with the rest of the face, we're going to finish up under the eyes. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this shade we used second on our crease and take that from outer corner to inner corner. And then I'm going to blend it out, taking a little bit of this shade and this shade. Again, blending it out from outer corner all the way to inner corner. Even though we're using these more neutral brown tone colors, it is going to be a very dramatic looking eye. There wasn't any highlight shades in there that I want to use for my inner corner, so I'm just going to take a highlight shade from the Brown Sugar palette, which I've been using as a mirror. And I'm going to go into Ginger and just highlight my inner corner. And blend it out with my finger a bit under the brow, just with whatever is left over on the brush. And then we will go in with the Lash Paradise Mascara from L'Oreal. No! If you're wondering why I left that mascara there, it's better to wait till the end and then wipe it away when it's dried. For blush, I'm going to take Colourpop Currently. And I just want like a very sheer blush application that's like barely noticeable. I'm going to bronze with the Milani bronzer in Golden. And highlight with the Milani highlighter in Golden. On the tops of my cheekbones and over my brows. Ooh, the highlight is beaming. I'll also take whatever excess down the bridge of my nose and on the tips of my chin. Now all we have to do is lips. So I'm going to go in with the Colourpop lip liner in BFF3. And then I'm going to go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Berlin. This is like the perfect brown with a tint of red to really help pull out the red tones in our eyes. And that completes this look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to see new videos every Monday and Thursday, and make sure to comment below to let me know what you thought of this look and to also let me know what you guys want to see in the future. Until next time, bye!